In this video, I'm gonna show you guys here how to send BNB Binance coin to Metamask step by step with the lowest withdrawal fees. My name is Sir Lewis, and if you guys love crypto videos, subscribe, leave a like, because I bring you guys here daily crypto videos. And today I'm gonna show you guys here how to send over that BNB with the lowest withdrawal fees. So let's get started here. First off, I did a lot of research, but there's two platforms that I love sending BNB from. The first one is Kucoin, and Kucoin is just amazing because they have super low trading fees, but the withdrawal fees to send over the BNB is going to be 0.01 at the moment, and that equals to around $5. If you guys still love Kucoin and you have a lot of BNB on Kucoin, you guys can watch my video right over here on how to send BNB from Kucoin, and you guys can join Kucoin using my referral code. But I'm going to show you guys here the second platform that I love using, and this one has the lowest withdrawal fees. And I'm going to show you guys here using my phone step by step on how to send over that BNB. And that one is going to be Binance US. And I'm pretty sure Binance also has the same withdrawal fees. So if you guys are not in the US, you guys can use Binance. If you guys are in the US, you guys can use Binance.us. If you still don't have an account, you guys can use my referral code below, and I think you guys will get a promotion code for Binance.us. So the withdrawal fees for BNB, as you guys can see right here, it varies based on the network, but we're going to be sending over this one, BEP20, to our MetaMask, okay? And the minimum is 0.002, which is not that much, but the withdrawal fees, guys, as you guys can see, is super low at 0.0005. That is 25 cents. So compared to KuCoin's $5, you're just going to pay 25 cents for sending it over on Binance.us. So that is a pretty good amount to save right there. And on top of that, the minimum that you need to withdraw is $1. Very low minimum to withdraw and super low withdrawal fees. So I'm going to show you guys here how to do this on Binance.us in this video step by step. So right now I'm on my Binance.us account. So what you want to do is obviously you want to buy BNB. After you buy, you want to click on BNB. Okay, then you want to go to withdraw. Click on withdraw. Then you're going to click the amount that you want to send over to MetaMask. You just click right here, preview withdraw. It's basically telling you right here that be careful of the network that you send to. Make sure it's the right one, and also make sure if it includes a memo or not. I'm going to show you guys here which network that MetaMask uses. The one that it uses is BNC, which is BEP20 right here. So all you guys got to do next is go to your MetaMask, copy your MetaMask wallet address, okay? And then just paste it right over here. It's just that simple. Then after you guys paste your MetaMask wallet address, you click at the bottom, the yellow button at the bottom. And then next is basically going to show you the address again, just so you guys can confirm. And then all you guys got to do is click at the bottom, withdraw BNB. So boom, I just clicked withdraw BNB. Now the next step is you're going to have to put in your verification code for either Google or SMS. I definitely recommend to have the Google Authenticator when you guys sign up for this. So boom, I just put it in, and it says right here, withdraw pending. We just sent an email with a confirmation link. Please click the link in the email to confirm the withdrawal. So the next step that you guys must do is go to your email that's connected to Binance.us, click on the email and click confirm so it can confirm this withdrawal. It's just another security step to make sure that you are the one sending this withdrawal. Alright, so I just went to my email and I confirmed it, and it should look something like this. Okay, it's basically saying that your withdrawal order was submitted. As long as you put in the right address, it should go through at any time. And awesome, I just received the BNB in my MetaMask wallet. As you guys can see right here, Binance Smart Chain Mainnet. Obviously, I had more in here before I sent it, and it went super smooth. Again, 25-cent withdrawal fee is amazing, especially compared to KuCoin and other exchanges as well that have a higher withdrawal fee. And if you guys want to know how to add the Binance Smart Chain Mainnet, it's super easy. You guys can just Google it or even watch another YouTube video. You just got to do a little few things in the settings of your MetaMask. But even if you sent it before putting that in, do not worry, your MetaMask has that BNB. You just got to put it in to basically be able to view it, okay? And to be able to use it and withdraw it. So yeah, guys, that's the best way to send BNB to MetaMask, in my opinion, using Binance.us. Step by step. I showed you guys here step by step. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and leave any comments if you guys got any questions below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.